that can be a very good thing for this type of grinder. And the way you actually use it is pretty simple. I'm just going to do a little spritz of water here on my coffee and going to shake it up. I'm going to take the little wood cap off here. I'm going to turn it on with this power button down here, and then I'm going to dump my coffee in and let the grinder do its thing. Depending on your dose, it takes about 20 seconds to grind a shot of espresso, about 1 gram a second. Before I turn it off, I'm just gonna give these little bellows a little pump, and then I'm gonna turn it off, and I have my dose of espresso.